Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about variants of recursion, part of data structures using C++ course. There are several variants of recursion, each with its own unique properties and characteristics. Some of the most common variants of recursion are as follows. Tail recursion. This is a special type of recursion where the recursive call is the last statement in the function. In tail recursion, the compiler can optimize the code by reusing the current stack frame rather than creating a new one for each recursive call. This makes tail recursion more efficient than regular recursion. Direct recursion. This is the simplest form of recursion where a function calls itself directly. In direct recursion, the function makes a recursive call to itself to solve a smaller subproblem until the base case is reached. Indirect recursion. This type of recursion occurs when a function calls another function that then calls the first function. Indirect recursion is used to solve more complex problems where multiple functions are involved in the recursive process. Mutual recursion. This type of recursion occurs when two or more functions call each other in a cycle. Mutual recursion is used to solve problems that cannot be easily solved using direct or indirect recursion. Nested recursion. This type of recursion occurs when a function calls itself multiple times, with each recursive call leading to another recursive call. Nested recursion is used to solve problems that involve multiple levels of subproblems. Each variant of recursion has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of which variant to use depends on the specific problem being solved and the desired trade-offs between performance, readability, and complexity. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.